Good afternoon viewers, this is Guria Khatun and you are watching My News Northeast. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization announced that the Durga Puja in Kolkata has been inscribed on the organization's representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity. The decision to include Durga Puja in the list was taken during the 16th session of the annual convention of UNESCO's Intergovernmental Committee for the Safeguard of Intangible Cultural Heritage held online from December 13 to December 18. Taking to Twitter, UNESCO congratulates India. Durga Puja in Kolkata has just been inscribed on the Intangible Heritage list. Congratulations, India, the tweet read. Reacting to the news, Prime Minister Narendra Modi termed the decision a matter of great pride and joy for every Indian. A matter of great pride and joy for every Indian, Durga Puja highlights the best of our traditions and ethos. And Kolkata's Durga Puja is an experience everyone must have, PM Modi tweeted. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also underlined that Durga Puja is not just a festival but an emotion. Taking the Twitter, she wrote, "Proud moment for Bengal. To every Bengali across the world, Durga Puja is much more than a festival. It is an emotion that unites everyone. And now, Durga Puja has been added to the representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity. We are all beaming with joy." UNESCO, in a press release, said that Durga Puja festival has come to signify homecoming to one's root. UNESCO added that Durga Puja is seen as the best instance of the public performance of religion and art and as a thriving ground for collaborative artists and designers. With the inscription of Durga Puja in Kolkata, India now has 14 intangible cultural heritage elements on the prestigious UNESCO representative list of ICH of Humanity. In recent years, the intangible cultural heritage elements that show inscriptions are Kumbh Mela, yoga, among others. India is a signatory of the 2003 UNESCO Convention, which aims for the safeguarding of the intangible heritage along with traditions and living expression. Intangible cultural heritage means the practices, representations, expressions, knowledge, skills, as well as the instruments, objects, artifacts, and cultural spaces associated with them that communities, groups, and in some cases individuals recognize as a part of their cultural heritage. Furthermore, its importance is not in the cultural manifestation itself but in the wealth of knowledge, know-how, the skills that are transmitted from one generation to the next. Thank you for watching. For further updates, keep watching My News Northeast.